Hi friends, it's a pleasure to welcome you to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you how you can ignore group chat in Facebook Messenger app. Friends, please put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And let us get down to the topic. Please open the Messenger app on your phone, and then find the group chat that you would like to ignore, so to speak. Tap it and hold it down. You'll see a little window like this below that chat. Please select this option. And then you can choose the time for which you want to either, so to speak, ignore the group or not receive voice notifications from this group. And it could be 15 minutes, it could be 1 or 8 or 24 hours, or it could be until you cancel. And as you can see, a sign like this appears right away. And thanks to these actions, friends, you will not be able to receive voice notifications, for example, and also notifications somewhere on your lock screen or somewhere else that there is a message in this group chat. But you can go in absolutely any minute and see that there are messages here. Go in and read them in this chat. That's how you can ignore group chat in the Messenger app, folks. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, put your likes, write your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.